Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. This is going to be a review and demo of a tinted moisturizer, and it's currently summertime here in the Philippines, so I don't really recommend wearing foundations for the summertime unless you're going out at night. But if you're going out during the daytime when it's really hot outside, I do recommend wearing tinted moisturizers. And I have been meaning to try this tinted moisturizer for a while now, and I finally got it. So I ordered this one from Sephora. And back in your earphone. Sige na. This is the Sephora box, the famous black and white stripes. Everything came perfectly fine. We don't have Sephora in the Philippines yet, but you can order from sephora.ph, but the products are not stored here in the Philippines. It's actually from Singapore. Mine arrived in almost a week. I actually ordered a couple more items from Sephora. I actually have this one more video coming up very soon. This is actually a very special palette, so if you're subscribed to me, you're gonna find out what's gonna be my next Sephora items. Okay, so this is the product that I'm gonna be talking about today. So this is the Balm Shelter Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 18. This is supposed to be a good substitute for foundation, especially for the summertime if you don't want to wear something heavy on your face. And it has SPF 18, which is great. It's going to protect your skin from the sun. If you want to avoid those dark spots or sunspots, it's better to wear SPF on your skin. So aside from sunscreen, it's nice to wear like a tinted moisturizer with SPF in it. I was really into foundation, like a full coverage foundation, but lately I just want more natural looking foundation, so I wanted to test out something that is more lightweight and has less coverage. And a lot of people have been raving about this tinted moisturizer. Originally I was gonna get the NARS tinted moisturizer or the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, but I can't find it anywhere online. This is how the box looks like, and as you can see, it's just a beautiful simple packaging, and this is designed for all skin types. This weightless silky smooth tinted moisturizer SPF 18 offers lasting moisture and helps to improve the tone and texture of your skin, leaving you with a polished complexion applied to clean face. So my face is clean right now, and I can't wait to see if it's going to be light coverage, medium coverage, or what. So let's just go ahead and apply this. It also says here, sun protection for everyday drama. I love it when packagings have creative lines or sentences. It just gets you in the mood. And by the way, I got this for 1,525 pesos. I think that is the original price. Actually, what's great about Sephora.ph is that they give free items, and you get to choose 3 from 6 to 7 items. So I chose 3 things. So these are actually freebies from my order, and I got the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Base Smoothing Primer. So I can't wait to try that. It says here, the smoothing primer is the first essential step for a flawless and long-lasting makeup. So I haven't tried anything from Sephora brand yet, so I'm so excited to try that. And along with that, I chose this Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. So it has 2 shades here. So these are just testers. I was actually originally planning to get this. I ordered one more foundation from Sephora. I just placed an order today, which is the Natasha Denona foundation. I was choosing between this and that one, and I chose the Natasha Denona one because I haven't tried anything from Natasha Denona yet, so I'm just really interested to know about the quality and how it wears. And the last for the freebies is the Natasha Denona Transformat Foundation, and this is actually the one that I got, and this is probably why I got the same foundation, is because it says here is a pore vanishing matte foundation. So I have problems with my pores, and at the same time I want my skin to always look matte, so this might be a really good foundation for me. So here are the shades. I ordered the shade 42NY, so I hope I ordered the correct shade for me. Moving on to the review, I'm just gonna open this up, and I hope I got the right shade. Because sometimes when you're ordering stuff online, it's hard to know what shade you're supposed to choose because you can't swatch it like how you would in stores. So at least they have guidelines now when it comes to the swatches. They have fair, light, medium, like the Natasha Denona one. You can choose here. Okay, so this is how the Balm Shelter looks like, and yeah, very simple packaging. It actually looks like a regular tinted moisturizer packaging. This might be kind of pricey for a tinted moisturizer, but we're gonna see how it wears throughout the day. I'm really after the SPF 18 and just really want a light coverage for the summertime. So it has 58.68 ml and or 1.98 fluid ounce. So we're gonna see if this is sealed. Alright, there you go. This has safety seal, so it means that no one has used it, no one has opened it, so that is good. You don't want something that has been swatched or has been used or anything like that. So we're gonna open this and see. So the first thing that I do is, of course, I'm gonna smell the product. Doesn't smell like much. Wait. So this is the shade that I got. Okay. Perfect. I think I got the right shade. I think they have like 10 shades. I got light, medium here. And I watched Kathleen Light's before, and this was one of her favorite tinted moisturizers. And this is the shade that I got. This is light medium. And as you can see, it's not runny and it just stays in place. If anything, it just smells like a very light cream. But I can't really describe what's in because it's just super light. I think for this one, I'm going to apply this with my fingers because this is a tinted moisturizer, and in my experience, if it's a tinted moisturizer, it's better to apply with your fingers because you're supposed to apply it like as if you're applying cream on your face. So this is the consistency. As you can see, it just feels like a lotion. Okay, so this is my skin without any foundation on. I have discoloration on my face. My main goal is to even out my skin tone without adding too much coverage. And then, let me fix this. And then I just want to cover up a few of my veins here, but I don't really want to cover up too much. So I'm just going to apply this with my finger. Right now I can tell already that this is going to be a light coverage, but it doesn't feel sticky or heavy. It's looking nice. I'm not seeing a lot of coverage so far, which is good because I just want to really even out my skin tone. So I think I'm going to apply this on the side of my face first so you guys can compare. I love that it's applying evenly on my face. I've tried some tinted moisturizers before and it looks really patchy. It's actually blending nicely into my skin, so I really like that. I heard a lot of people say that this has the tendency to oxidize, so I can see it doing on my skin right now. So as you can see, this is the foundation that I applied earlier, and after swatching it, it's starting to oxidize on the sides. So hopefully it doesn't oxidize too dark because I really want to even out my skin tone. But still, actually when I read that this tinted moisturizer oxidize, I was really planning to order the light shade, but it's already out of stock. But yeah, okay, so it actually looks exactly just like my skin tone. This is half of my face with the tinted moisturizer, and I don't know if you can tell the difference. It actually looks very similar. I think this side just looks more even, but not too much. I actually wish I have a lighter shade. I still want that brightening effect, and this one actually looks exactly like my skin tone. I want something that will make my skin look like a shade lighter because my skin has the tendency to make foundations to oxidize. So if I order a foundation that is exactly the same as my skin tone, it's still gonna go like a shade or two darker. So this is how the tinted moisturizer looks on my face, and as you can see, there isn't a huge difference as compared to the side without the foundation because it has really light coverage. And I think light medium is a tad bit dark for me because as you can see, it already oxidized on my hand. This is my swatch that I did earlier, and it just went like 2 shades darker. If I ordered the shade light, I think it would be a better match, but it's okay because it matches my neck and my shoulders. I think I'm just gonna add more brightness on my face with concealer. If you have a similar skin tone with me, it's better to order the light shade. So again, this is light medium, and it's gonna oxidize. I love that it's not sticky. Like here, so it's been 2 minutes since I applied the tinted moisturizer on this side, and it feels very comfortable. I like that it's not sticky. My face and my skin just feels really healthy. And normally I have dry skin, on certain areas of my face. But right now, I don't see any of those dry patches, which is great. I'm going to apply this on my neck as well. And on my forehead. I actually really love how easy it is to apply. It doesn't feel messy to apply like other tinted moisturizers or BB creams. So finally, I have it on my entire face. Face looks kind of bronze. Personally, like I said, I want my skin to look a tad bit brighter. So I wish I ordered the shade Light. And but I'm still okay with this because I'm still going to apply my concealer. So for my first impression, I must say that it made my skin look really healthy. It has this really nice glow, but not too much. Gives your skin this really nice glow without making your skin too oily. If you're using a tinted moisturizer, expect your skin to have this glow. Some tinted moisturizers might be too oily, some of them might be too slippery on your face. This one just feels very comfortable. And I rub my skin like this, I can definitely feel that there's something there, but I feel like it really holds tight on my skin. I feel like it's not going to budge that easily. I'm just using this Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and this is my new favorite concealer. It looks like with only concealer. I haven't set this with powder yet, but I'm going to use the RCMA No Color powder, and this is one of my favorite setting powders for when I'm reviewing foundations because it's not going to change the color or the texture of the product too much. Finally done with my makeup, and I can share with you guys my final thoughts about this tinted moisturizer. It is what it is. It's a tinted moisturizer. It says here it has SPF 18, so I am counting on that to protect my skin from the sun. I feel like you get a lot of product in this. It has 58 grams inside. A normal foundation like the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation has 30 ml only inside. So you get more products from the Balm Balm Shelter Tinted Moisturizers. So my skin has just been so dry. Sometimes when my skin is super dry, I tend to stay away from foundations, and I don't like applying moisturizers. I try to always include moisturizers in my skincare routine, but I always try to find a more lightweight alternative, which is like a serum or a toner, something like that. But normally I buy moisturizers and never really use it, so I end up wasting my money. So I would rate this tinted moisturizer 9 out of 10. I would definitely give this 10 out of 10 if I got the right shade. My makeup looks really nice right now, and it doesn't look cakey or anything like that, so I love it. Again, this is the Balm Shelter Tinted Moisturizer with the SPF 18. You can get this from Sephora.ph, beautymanila.com, and as well as beauty bars. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!